The new LiuGong 9018F is packed with benefits which makes your job easier every time. Here are the top 10. Narrow access, no problem. The telescopic retractable undercarriage makes it easy to get working in the narrowest spaces. Job site performance and control couldn't be easier. Our 2-speed travel with auto shift selects the right gear for optimum traction, productivity and fuel economy. Powered by a large Yanmar engine combined with smart load sensing hydraulics, it's easy to see how this Mini punches above its weight. Our long arm dozer works in perfect harmony with the bucket, sweeping away material and boosting stability. Automatic idle control reduces fuel consumption, lowers emissions and noise pollution. That's great for the communities in which you work. With our electro-proportional joysticks with adjustable flow control, we've made it even easier to use a variety of attachments. With excellent visibility, ergonomic controls and unrivaled comfort, it's easy to see why owning a new 9018 makes sense. The ergonomic cab design with details such as phone and drink holders make a big difference to your working day. Wide opening service bays at the side and rear make it quick and easy to carry out inspections and maintenance. The 9018F features globally supported components such as Yanmar engines, inline hydraulics and Bosch joysticks. The new 9018F delivers on the job site and the bottom line. For the whole story, visit our website.